Hey, so here is another vacation vlog for me this summer.
With me.
With Carol.
Ta-da!
Oh no. So this is my last vacation vlog for this summer and this year, hopefully. Lots of vacations. Basically, little backstory. So my entire childhood, we used to go sailing, so I live in Maine. I live in southern Maine, so like I'm right by the coast, and it's probably one of my favorite places to be in the summer. But my dad grew up sailing. Sailing and skiing were his two things, so we do both. But sailing was always the thing we did when we were little. Like in the summer, we would rent a boat for a week. We would just go sailing, and it used to be so much easier when we were kids because we didn't really need much except for clothes and a life jacket, and that's about it. So we haven't done it in a very long time, but for Christmas this year, I gave my dad the gift of, well, the whole family kind of did. We gave my dad the gift of going on a sailing trip this year. So he's been very, very excited, and there's been a lot of prep. So basically, I got up at like 5:30 this morning. We drove to Rockland, Maine, and we just arrived to the place where the boat is. And we're meeting my dad and my brother to get on the boat. But me and my mom are gonna be here for the next 5-ish days. The boys are staying for 7. We're a little bit more needy, so we're not gonna stay as long, but basically we're gonna go meet them now, see the boat, and this is literally where I'm living for the next week. It's kind of weird because not a lot of people do this. Like very, very few people like live on sailboats for a week, especially with your dad as the captain. So should be interesting since we haven't done it since we were little, and now like cosmetics is a huge thing, you know, like just needing showers more often because we've, you know, gotten older and whatever. So we'll see how it works out. Hopefully living with my family in a 40-foot boat won't be torture, but wish me luck. Enjoy the vlog. And this is my week living on a sailboat this summer. Hello, Ted. Are you in your element?
Are you bringing stuff down?
I have some stuff.
Yeah.
This is home for the next week, people.
Where are we driving?
Bobby at the wheel. Alright, so small update. It's like 1 o'clock, I think, and we have finally made it underway. We packed the boat, we got it all ready to go, and now we're in the middle of the ocean. So far, in about a half hour, we've seen a seal and a porpoise, which is pretty cool. I think I got some video of the porpoise, but I'm gonna give you a tour of the boat probably next, and then update you guys when something else exciting happens. Alright, here's a quick boat tour for y'all. So this is where you drive the boat. This is where Carol sleeps, the front of the boat. And then down here is where we all sleep. So you go down these stairs. We just ate dinner. That's all of our dirty dishes. You come down here.
Feel alright?
Bed. It's a kitchen. Bathroom.
Iffy, iffy.
Bedroom number 1. Living room. Table. bedroom part 2. And this is another bathroom. You can climb out there if you want, but basically, that's what the boat looks like. Day 2, people! Hello people, it is afternoon on day 3. We are on land, which is very nice. Basically, so far we went from Rockland to Deer Isle, and then from Deer Isle to Swan Island, and now we're in Northeast Harbor on Mount Desert Island, and we pit stopped at this yacht club to shower, which felt great. I'm living the no makeup life today. Basically, we just wanted to like regroup today, like get on land, because me and my mom aren't the biggest fans of living on a boat, but it's fun. So we just wanted to get our legs onto land and walk around, maybe get some groceries and stuff, but it's really, really pretty here. Feel a little out of place because this is where all the rich people go to like dock their boats. That's not us. So yeah, sorry I'm not wearing all the fancy clothes. But that's my update for today. Basically, that's our plan. And I'll check in with y'all later. The end of day 3, the night of day 3, and we had a pretty good day. It's so calm out here. I wish I could, I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling. It's like the little breeze of the ocean, like the smell of the ocean. And like you can hear the bells out on the water, and the mosquitoes are attacking me, to give you a little ambiance. But tomorrow's day 4. We're going to Bar Harbor and just exploring the shops, all that fun stuff. But yeah, it's really nice out here. Maine is so pretty. So lucky to live here. But yeah, see ya tomorrow. Day 4, people. We are back on land, off the boat. This morning we got up and we took a sail around the Cranberry Islands and came back here. Now we're picking up a bus to go down to downtown Bar Harbor so we can go shopping and go out to eat tonight. Tomorrow is my last day on the trip, so we're just trying to see a little bit of the coast today. I don't ever know how to close these out. It's the last day of our trip, and I have a red nose because I'm sunburned. But basically no one's on the boat right now. I'm the only one. Everyone else went into shore. My mom's gonna meet her brothers because we have my family coming on board today. And my brother and dad went to go take a shower. So basically I just cleaned up a little bit, got packed up because we're leaving tonight. But we're just gonna sail around with the family, hang out, and then head home. So yeah, this is the last day of the trip. It's been really fun so far. It's really, really pretty and relaxing being out in the ocean. So far we've seen porpoises, seals, jellyfish, eagles, schools of fish, so pretty cool to see everything in action in real life, I guess. But yeah, so today's the last day. Really sad about it, but excited to go home and see my puppy. So enjoy my last day on the boat. Well, we're back at the dock. We sailed around Somme Sound for a while with the fam, and now we're leaving. Mom's ready to go home, huh? Woo! It just started to rain, so I guess it's a good time to leave, but kind of sad to leave the boys behind. But we're gonna go home and get the doggy. We have a 4-hour drive home. So yeah, I guess I'll check in with you guys when we get in the car and actually say goodbye. Woohoo! No, don't! Wait, Carol's driving a stick.
What?
Carol's driving a stick.
Okay, where's reverse?
Oh!
Bye.
No! See ya! See ya!